here's the exhaust in all of its glory. Had to do some reinforcement, ugly welding, but you know what, the rest of it's not so bad. It'll hold. I did some WD-40 spray so that way the oil would blacken the raw metal and cause it to be, it's the original coupler, but yeah, made a little custom exhaust hanger, bolts up to the bottom of the transmission. So this and this, so everything from here is fixed to the engine, everything from here is fixed to the car. Got a nice woven rubber and fiber vibration dampener. It's gonna tuck up nice and high under the car. Chef's kiss. Mwah.